On today's flight, enjoy the latest Hollywood blockbusters, the finest world cinema, or choose from a great selection of television, games, and music. Rose Byrne stars as a woman stuck in a long-term relationship with an obsessive fan of an obscure rocker. Nick Hornby's comic novel, Juliet Naked, comes to life.
Yeah, it's really me. What's your story?
A single father struggling to raise two teenagers during the height of the drugs epidemic in 1980s Detroit must do anything he can to make ends meet. White boy Rick.
Hey, come on, Dad. We can fix our lives and be a family again. What do you say?
Peppermint stars Jennifer Garner as a young widow transforming herself from wronged citizen to urban guerrilla in order to avenge her loved ones.
I will kill every one of you. And then I'll pretty much wing it from there.
En Liberté, The Trouble with You tells of a French Riviera detective who tries to make amends after discovering her late husband was a crooked cop. Breath is a nature-focused documentary especially designed to help you relax during your flight. Dive deep into Swiss nature and chill out with this calming program. Idris Elba stars in a semi-autobiographical account of a migrant family surviving in 80s Britain. In the long run,
What are you going to do with that? If you want something done. Look, you know how to use that, do you?
series Flavors showcases some of the world's most desired visitor destinations, exploring their history and traditions and uncovering their natural wonders amongst breathtaking landscapes.
Memorial plaque of the legendary Jacques-Yves Cousteau is placed in a cave beneath the Sea of Santorini, so he's very related to Santorini and to Greece.
World's Tiniest Masterpieces is an in-depth profile of microsculptor Willard Wigan. The documentary shows how he creates the magical microscopic art, not without its inherent problems.
Willard turns Mr. Meek's diamonds into microscopic carving knives.
Check out our full range of classics, more of your favorites, and let Swiss entertain you.